Yes, yo. Hello, guys. This is David Capable in the building. Today, we have an amazing topic before us, and it's something you often hear top traders normally say. You often hear them say, take profit and break even. And you begin to get amazed. What do they mean by take profit and break even? Well, the truth is not far away from you because I'm here to unravel what that means to the level of your understanding. Remember, my aim is to simplify this complexity in Forex to the layman out there. And that is exactly what I'm about to do today. Break even is a game changer. Your ability to master break even, you will become a game changer in the Forex market. It helps you to protect your equity, that is your capital in the Forex market. The break-even strategy is a very powerful strategy. It's superb, prolific, and is a mechanism that enables you to stay afloat. So when you want to stay afloat, you want to stay on the safer side while trading, you need to practice break even. Okay guys, sit back, relax, and let's talk about break even. Okay, so let's look at it together today, what it means to break even. In the economical world or in the business world, when you hear the word break even, it simply means is a state of what? Equilibrium. What is a state of equilibrium? A state of equilibrium is a state where there is neither a profit or there is neither a loss. Take this back home into the Forex market. It's also applicable. So a break even in Forex is a state, whereby a trader neither make a profit nor makes a loss. In that state, we'll say the trader has break even. It is a state where the profit and loss are at equilibrium. The break even also is an exit route in trading where the reward is zero. Is an exit route where the reward is what? Zero. So with this break even, you were able to stay afloat as a trader to safeguard your equity. So it's like a safe net to prevent you from making loss, and also on the other hand, not making profit. So you to be like an equal level, an equilibrium level. There are factors to consider when setting break even in trading. The first factor is market volatility. What is the market volatility of the particular currency pair you are trading on? What is the trade duration? The duration of the trade is a factor. The currency pair characteristics is a factor. And the trader's risk tolerance. These four factors are what should be considered while trying to break even. Market volatility, trade duration, currency pair characteristics, and the trader risk of tolerance is a key factor while trying to to break even. Now, this is the crux of the matter. How do I break even? How do I carry out break even? Exactly what we're about to discuss. The simplest way you can carry out break even in Forex trading is by moving your initial stop loss position from the first place it is into your original entry position once price has moved in your favor. Now, this may sound complicated. Let me bring it home and simpler. When you take up a trade, it's either you are placing a buy order or you are placing a sell order. You place a buy order because you are anticipating that the market is going to what? Go up. And you place a sell order because what? You are anticipating that the market is going to come down, meaning the price is going to come down. Now, in Forex, while setting a buy order, the point that you are entering the market is called what? Your market price entry position. Your market what? Price entry position. That's what it is called. Now, since you are placing a buy order, you are anticipating that the market is going to go up. So your take profit should be above the current price, should be above the price you enter the market from. So if you enter the market at 150 and you are anticipating that the market is going to go above that, it means your take profit should be above 150. Anything from 151 above to 1 million is going to be your take profit from that region. You can set your take profit according to your risk and reward ratio. Okay? Now, let's say you set your take profit to be above the 150. Then what happened? How do you set your stop loss? You should set your stop loss below that entry position. Since you are assuming you are actually what? Placing a buy order. That is how it works. The reverse is the case when you are placing a sell order. When you are placing a sell order, you are anticipating that the market is going to go down. So your take profit will be below the 150, which is your entry position. So anything from 149 below will be what? Your take profit. While your stop loss will be above your entry position. Now, in Forex, the reason why we set stop loss and set take profit is because our take profit is an anticipation of where we want to make our money from, where we want to take our profit. Why our stop loss? We set it because should in case the market goes against us, what happened? When the market goes against you and you have a stop loss, it will stop you at that point you place your stop loss so that you will not make further losses. So it's always very dangerous when you're placing a trade and you don't have stop loss. Because if the market keep going down against you or keep going against you, it means it will keep wiping your money and it may end up wiping the whole equity. So setting a stop loss is very, very important. That is the reason why you need to practice risk and reward ratio. Okay, now, if I set a stop loss, I set a stop loss and I take a take profit, and the market begins to go in my favor towards the take profit region, what do? I take the profit, then I change the stop loss where I had it before, and I placed it to be at the point where I entered the market from, at the price where I entered the market from, where I placed the order. I have practiced what is called break even. That is what break even is. And that is what it means, take profit and what? And break even. Because the market was actually going in my favor, then I decided that, I don't need to wait for the market to actually even hit my take profit. I decided to just take the ones it has made for me, to take the profits it has made for me, even before it hit it take profit. Then I will change my stop loss from the way I placed it before to the initial place I actually entered the trade from. What have you done? You have done what is called take profit and break even. Break even in the sense that if the market later starts going against you, it will not go against you to the extent that you have to lose some amount of money because you have changed the stop loss to become your entry at the point you enter the market from. At that point, if it hits that place, you will neither make a profit or you neither make a loss. Did you understand it? That is just the trick of what the break even. Now, this is it. Let's take example of a particular pair so that you can understand it perfectly. Okay? This particular guy, let's call him Mr. A. He is trading Great Britain pounds versus what? USD. He entered the price. He placed a buy order at what? 1.4050. Then he set his stop loss at what? 1.40 10. That's 1.4010. That is where he set his stop loss. Now, meaning since he's buying, his take profit should be above his point of entry. Anything from 1.4051 and above will be his take profit. Okay? Now, maybe let's say he set his take profit to be 1.5050. Now, the market started going in his favor. When the price started going in his favor and the price raises to 1.4090, he has made that's almost like how many pips in between. You can see the pips in between already. He's already making a profit. What does he do? He said, okay, fine, I don't need to wait for this thing to reach to at the point where I want to take my profit. I've already made some substantial profit. Let me pull out of the market. Now he's pulling out of the market, he's taking his profit. But as he's taking his profit, what happened? He will change his stop loss. He will change his stop loss position from 1.4010 to the point he entered the market from, which is what? 1.4050. So he did that should, in case that the market reverses, maybe he didn't actually hit the initial take profit he placed. The market reverses, he will not make profit, but will not make a loss. But he has already taken the other profit he made. This is actually true when you have like multiple trades you open on ground. Maybe all the multiple trades you enter them at the same point. All you need to do is that you can take some profit and you change your stop loss. That is, you change your stop loss to the place you enter it from. It's as simple as that, guys. That is all what take profit and what? Or you hear take partial profit. That's another language. They said take partial profit and what? And change stop loss or break even. You hear people say take profit and break even. Or they'll say take partial profit. Take partial profit, take profit and break even. They mean the same thing. Okay? So it's as simple as that. So it's not like rocket science. It's not the rocket science. It's just simple. It's very, very simple.
So guys, this is an example of a running trade here. As you can see, this trade is running and we are trading on Australian dollar versus USD. And right now we are making a profit of $49. Okay. And the entry position, as you can see here, is at 0.68085. Presently, the market is at 0.68133. Okay. Now we have a lot size of 1. So if I want to break even and take profits, what do I do? What I just need to do is just to tap on that. A sub menu comes in. Okay. Then I click on close position. If I want to close a position, what I need to do simply is to click on that, and you can see I click on close position. Now when you look at the close position menu, as you can see the trade is still running. We are at $52 profit, 53 right now. Now look up, you will see 1.00. that is the lot size. I can reduce that lot size, reduce it vertically to 0.5. Like I told you, the number has to be a round figure, right? I close it to 1.5, then I can take my partial profit. Now, what did I just did? What I just did now is that I took partial profit. I took half of the money of my profit. So half of the money, because when we were trying to close that trade, it has actually increased to 60 something dollars. That is why you see I've closed it and I had $34 running now. You can see the loss size has reduced to 0.5, right? Now I can go back and change my stop loss to be at the place where I entered this market. Remember, I entered this market as what? 0.68085. So I'll go and change my lot size and go to modify position. My stop loss will be a 0.058. Am I right? Let's look at it properly. Our entry position is 0.68085. 680.85. So modify. Stop loss will be 680.85. That will be our new stop loss. You're changing your stop loss to a new stop loss, which is actually at the entry position. Okay, that is very simple. Remember. So modify. I modified it now. I've modified my stop loss to actually be what? At the point I enter this particular trade. So even if the market goes against me later, I'm not going to make a profit, neither will I make a loss. That is what it means to break even and what? Take partial profit. We took partial profit because we had a loss side of 1, so we took partial profit of 0.5 by clicking on the close position. When we click on the close position, what happened? We selected, we changed the loss side to 0.5. We can do the same thing, the loss size is higher than that, okay? Then we now came and changed what? The stop loss position by clicking on what? Modify. We now change it to the place of entry. This we are doing because should in case the market is actually going against us, we won't later make further loss on this particular one that is left. So it's very simple. You've already taken your partial profit, so you've taken your profit already, some part of the profit. So if the market actually goes against you, you're still not going to make any loss or make any profit, but at least you've initially made some money already. So that is what it means to break even and what? And take profit or take partial profit. It's very simple. I hope this video is very clear now. This is a practical example of it. So it is not a rocket science. So this is how to break even and what? And take partial profit. Okay? Thank you guys.